Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with a debit card. In order to do so, first off, here we are at pocketoption.com and we're all logged in. What you're looking for can be found in a couple of places. First off, on the left-hand side in the main menu where you see Finance. If you click on that, then you'll see here that you have the option to deposit. You also have the same option up at the top right hand corner where the account icon is. If you click that, then again, you'll see here where it says deposit. We can go ahead and click on that, and that's going to take us to the account top up page. And from here, you can choose whichever method you want to deposit that is best for you. If you're looking to deposit with a debit card, then it is relegated to Visa and MasterCard. So you do need a debit card that has a Visa or MasterCard logo on it. Once you have that ready, then you can click on here. And then from here, you can enter in your information. Just make sure that you verify your profile before you continue. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.